my dear all friends, hope you all good. Today I am draw a new another cute couple drawing. I hope you all love this drawing. Using Camel oil pastel for this drawing, and every color name mentioned on my video screen and description box also. And also all of you follow me on my Instagram account. My Instagram account name is mouliart, and please watch this video till the end. I am using tissue paper for blending the colors. First of all, start with light color, fresh tint, then pink, then ultramarine, Prussian blue, black. So blend colors step by step. I hope you, my dear all friends, love this boy and girl drawing, and thank you for watching video.